Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to change your battery or remove your INVICTA battery cover or your watch battery door. So let's go ahead and get it started. First of all, you need to get this kind of tools. I got this out of eBay for I think it's only like a couple bucks. You need the one with this so you could adjust the size for the depends on your watch what size is is a 42 millimeter, 40 or 30A or whatever. Okay, so this is the watch that has a dead battery. So as you can see, this one is pretty big size, and you see the groove on the watch is right there, the notch right there and right there. Hopefully I don't need to remove the link of the watch band. So I'm gonna measure real quick, just kind of eyeball it real quick, and then I'm gonna adjust the size where those two pin touches the notch, and after that I'm gonna tighten it up so you can move it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna lift up the watch band and then I'll try to turn it. You're gonna turn it try to put it in like a flat surface. That's why I have this hard board so I can press against it. So make sure your watch is not moving. And then turn it. There you go. Okay. I'm going to turn it a little bit more so it loosen it up. So now you can turn it with your hand. I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna lift up the door. And there you go. There is your battery. Let's see what kind is it or what's the type. So by looking at the battery, it says 95 on there. So when I check on eBay, the equivalent battery is 395. This is a 395 Energizer battery, or 399 is compatible. Okay, so I need to buy like a flathead because mine is too thick. This is the screw that I need to remove to unscrew this in order to pop this the bracket that's holding the battery down. All right, the 10 pack is $7.39 on the eBay, and then they also have a 4-piece or 4-pack, $3.43 or $3.45, and then the 2-pack is $2.50. So the main problem I have right now is to get the tool to unscrew that flathead screw. All right. So anyway, this is how you take out your battery. You gotta remove that screw and pop it off the clip, and then take out the battery. So hopefully you guys like the video, and then give a thumbs up. Please also hit that subscribe button, and then turn on that bell for notification, and then drop any of the comments on below. All right, Anyway, if you got any question, just drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace out.